Have you ever wondered how the F-35B's nozzle rotates? It uses a unique mechanism called the three-bearing swivel module. But here's the cool part. It's not powered by electric motors. Instead, a powerful hydraulic actuator drives the nozzle, rotating it up to 90 degrees with smooth precision. How does the F-35B perform vertical takeoff and landing? The drive shaft from the main engine is connected to the lift fan via a clutch. During vertical takeoff, the pilot engages the clutch, causing the lift fan to rotate with the drive shaft. At the same time, the nozzle is lowered at a 90-degree angle. This produces 41,000 pounds of lift force. In addition, a portion of the air from the main engine flows through the roll posts. This allows the fighter jet to be more stable and roll. The F-35 Lightning II uses the Pratt Whitney F135 afterburning turbofan engine. Its length is 220 inches and diameter is 46 inches. The total weight is 6,422 pounds. The engine uses a 3-stage fan, 6-stage high-pressure compressor, 1-stage high-pressure turbine, and 2-stage low-pressure turbine. As a result, it produces about 28,000 pounds of thrust force and 43,000 pounds of thrust through the afterburner.